So have you ever tried ricotta pie? Well, if not, you don't know what you're missing. Ricotta pie is a traditional Italian dessert served any time of year, but often around Easter. It's got this lovely velvet texture somewhere between a custard pie and a creamy cheesecake with hints of lemon and almond flavor, and we're really going to play up that almond flavor. Anyway, words can't do it justice. I don't even know why I'm trying, but suffice to say that it's really, really good and really easy to make too, so stick around because I'm about to show you how. But first, if we haven't met, I'm Ken Heydrich, the Dean of the Pie Academy, where we teach you how to make all kinds of pies, sweet and savory. And whether you've made 1,000 pies in your life or you're just getting started on your pie journey, you've come to the right place. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Now, ricotta pie is typically baked in a sweet, eggy dough known as pasta frolla. It's a wonderful dough, but frankly, I like the pie even more in this almondy graham cracker crumb crust that we'll use. It's simpler this way too because there's nothing to roll out. To begin, put 1/2 cup slivered or coarsely chopped almonds in a food processor with 3 tablespoons of sugar. Pulse the machine until the almonds are well chopped, and then add 8 crumbled up graham crackers. That's 1 less than you get in one of these packets. Pulse the machine again until you have nice fine crumbs. Put them in a bowl and add 1/8 teaspoon salt and 4 tablespoons melted unsalted butter. Stir it all up good with your fork and then massage it with your fingers. It should feel packable, but if it doesn't, just drizzle in like a 1/2 teaspoon or so of milk and work that in until the crumbs are clumpy enough to pack. Now, here's the secret to getting a nice professional looking crumb crust. Empty the crumbs into the middle of a 9.5-inch deep dish pie pan. But before you start pressing them into the pan, spread them out as evenly as possible first, including up the sides. Now drape a piece of plastic wrap over the crumbs and then start pressing them into place. The plastic will keep your fingers from getting all sticky and it'll help you make a nice compact crust. Pop the pan into the fridge for 10 minutes and then bake for 8 to 10 minutes in a preheated 350-degree oven. Now for the filling. Combine 1¼ pounds ricotta cheese and 1 cup sugar in a mixing bowl. I like to do this in a pitcher bowl like this one. It makes it easy to pour the filling into your pie shell without making a big mess. Beat on medium speed with a handheld mixer for a minute or two, then blend in 4 eggs plus 1 yolk, one at a time, and 1/3 cup heavy cream. Blend in a teaspoon each of vanilla and almond extract, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and the grated zest of 1 lemon. It's probably a good idea to remove the little sticker before you start grating. Put the pie shell on a baking sheet and pour in the filling. Then put the pie on the middle oven rack and bake for at least 50 to 60 minutes until the filling puffs up a bit and the filling wobbles as a whole. Give the pan a little poke to check it. If the filling does this instead and it moves in waves, it's not done. Give it at least another 8 to 10 minutes. And don't be tempted to raise the temp if it's taking longer than expected. Low and slow is really the way to go to get the best result. Now when it's done, put the pie on a rack to cool. You can serve this at room temperature, but it's even better if it's been chilled. It tastes more like cheesecake when it's cold. Now, you really don't need to fancy up the top of this pie to make it shine. It stands on its own quite nicely, thank you. But if you insist, you could always garnish slices with some finely chopped toasted almonds or slivered almonds, or some fresh berries in season. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before I let you go, if you did like this video and you want to see more, I hope you'll become a member of the Pie Academy. There's a form or a link at the bottom here where you can do just that. Now get busy and make this pie, and then let me know what you think. I'll see you again soon.